HVAC roof tying into the existing system, new R405305. New energy calcs, low calc drawings are provided from Tony Amadeo, engineer. These are our supplies. Here's our return, double returns, and they're all going into the attic space over to the new ductwork that hasn't been done yet, but that will all be tied into the existing home ductwork. Exhaust fan, T-fin, going out of the soffit. That was our only area we could get it out of. And then our dryer from the garage. As you can see, I can't get in there, but there is a laundry right here. Dryer duct up and through and over to the other side, away from the exhaust vent out of that soffit.